Hello everyone, welcome back to our English Story Podcast, episode 25. Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, I need a little change? Maybe you want a new haircut, new clothes, or just to feel more confident. In this episode, we'll follow Maria, who decides to improve her appearance before an important event. Through her story, you learn how to describe changes in appearance and talk about self-care, all in natural, everyday English. It was Monday morning, and Maria was staring at her reflection in the mirror. She sighed and said softly, I look so tired. My hair's a mess, and these dark circles under my eyes. I really need to do something about this. Maria had an important job interview coming up on Friday. She wanted to feel fresh, confident, and professional. So, she made a plan. Step 1, get a haircut. Step 2, buy a new outfit. Step 3, take care of her skin and rest well. After work that day, she went to a hair salon near her apartment. When she entered, the stylist smiled and said, Hi there, how can I help you today? Maria smiled back and said, I'd like to get a haircut, please. I want something that looks neat and professional, but still stylish. The stylist nodded, ran her fingers through Maria's hair and said, How about shoulder lengths with some soft layers? Maria thought for a moment and said, Yes, that sounds perfect. When the haircut was done, Maria looked in the mirror again. Her hair looked light, shiny, and healthy. She smiled and said, Wow, I feel like a new person. Next, she stopped by a clothing store. She wanted something simple but elegant for her interview. She tried on a navy blue dress. It fit her perfectly, not too tight, not too loose. As she looked at herself, she said, This color really suits me. She bought the dress and went home feeling great. For the next few days, she focused on self-care, eating healthy food, drinking water, and going to bed early. She even used a face mask and did a little yoga to relax. By Friday morning, she felt refreshed and confident. When she looked in the mirror, she smiled. Her skin was glowing. Her hair looked healthy and her outfit looked professional. She thought sometimes improving your appearance isn't about changing who you are. It's about taking care of yourself and feeling good inside. She walked into her interview with a big smile, and yes, she got the job. Let's look at some useful vocabulary and expressions from Maria's story that you can use when talking about improving appearance. Number 1, hair and beauty. Get a haircut. To have your hair cut or styled. Example, I got a haircut yesterday. Hair salon. A place where people go to get their hair cut or styled. Stylist. Someone who cuts or arranges people's hair as their job. Example, Rennie was top stylist at the salon. Layers. Sections of haircut at different lengths to give shape or volume. Example, I'd like some layers to add volume to my hair. Number 2, clothing and fashion. Outfit. A combination of clothes worn together. Example, I need to choose an outfit for the party. It fits me. The size is right. Example, This shirt fits me perfectly. It suits me. It looks good on me or matches my personality. Example, this color really suits you. Elegant, stylish and graceful. Example, she looked elegant in her black dress. Number 3, appearance and self-care. Take care of yourself. Look after your health and well-being. Glowing skin. Skin that looks healthy and bright. Fresh, clean, new, and full of energy. Example, after a good night's sleep, I feel fresh and ready for the day. Number 4, expressions about improvement. I feel like a new person. I feel much better after a change. I needed a change. I wanted something different to refresh myself. It makes a big difference. It improves something a lot. When we talk about appearance, we often use adjectives to describe how things or people look. Example, she looks tired. He looks happy. The dress looks elegant. Notice how we use look plus adjective to describe appearance. We also use seem in a similar way. You seem tired today. She seems more confident after her haircut. And when describing clothes, it fits me, the size is right. It suits me, it looks good on me. It matches my shoes, the colors go well together. So, today we followed Maria as she improved her appearance, not to impress others, but to feel confident and take care of herself. You learn how to describe appearance changes, use words like fit, suit, layers, and glowing, and how to express self-confidence in English. Mini challenge. Try saying these sentences out loud. I'd like to get a haircut, something that suits me. This outfit fits perfectly. I feel like a new person after my makeover. Remember, improving your appearance doesn't always mean changing your look. Sometimes it's about rest, self-care, and feeling good in your own skin. Thank you for listening to today's episode. If you enjoyed this story, follow the podcast for more real-life English stories that help you learn with feeling. See you next time. Don't forget to smile at yourself in the mirror today.